When it comes to home security, homeowners in Sugar Land, Texas, often think of high-tech security systems, motion detectors, and surveillance cameras. However, one of the most effective yet often overlooked methods of enhancing your home's security is replacing old or damaged windows. Whether you're upgrading for aesthetics, energy efficiency, or safety, window replacement plays a significant role in safeguarding your home. Stronger, more durable materials. Modern windows are built with materials that are stronger and more secure than those used in older homes. Many contemporary windows are made from reinforced vinyl, impact-resistant glass, or double and triple paned options that make it harder for intruders to break through. Old windows with single-pane glass or weak frames are more vulnerable to being shattered or pried open, providing an easy point of entry for burglars. With the right window replacement options, your home becomes more secure because these windows are designed to withstand physical force better than their predecessors. Laminated glass, for example, is toughened with a layer of resin that helps prevent shattering, ensuring that burglars have a much harder time getting through. Improved locking mechanism. Another advantage of replacing old windows is the opportunity to upgrade the locking systems. Older window locks may be faulty, rusted, or ineffective, making them an easy target for burglars. With new windows, you can install state-of-the-art locking mechanisms that are much harder to tamper with. Modern windows often come with multi-point locking systems, where the lock engages at multiple points along the window frame, creating a stronger barrier against unauthorized access. This added layer of security makes it more difficult for intruders to break in, even if they attempt to force the window open. Better visibility and lighting. Window replacement can also enhance your home security by improving visibility around your property. Many older homes in Sugar Land may have windows that are either too small, outdated, or blocked by heavy drapes, making it difficult to see the outside environment. This lack of visibility can leave your home vulnerable to potential threats. By opting for larger, clearer windows or installing windows that can be easily opened to let in more light, you create better visibility both inside and outside your home. A well-lit and visible home deters burglars, as they prefer to target homes that appear dark and unmonitored. Plus, if you can see more clearly through your windows, you're able to notice suspicious activity in the neighborhood more easily, further enhancing your sense of security. Increased privacy with smart glass. In Sugar Land, where neighborhoods are growing and homes are often situated closer together, privacy is a significant concern. One of the latest innovations in window technology is smart glass, which can be adjusted to control the level of transparency. With the flick of a switch, you can change the opacity of your windows to make them opaque, adding an additional layer of privacy. This feature prevents outsiders from peeking into your home, making it more difficult for burglars to scope out your possessions. Even if they are watching, the added privacy could deter them from attempting a break-in, knowing they won't be able to see inside to assess what they might steal. Noise reduction and enhanced comfort. While this might not seem like a direct security measure, Replacing your windows with soundproof or noise-reducing glass can help create a quieter, more comfortable environment inside your home. When windows are old and drafty, not only does outside noise disturb your peace, but it also can be a sign that your home is less secure. Gaps in your window seals can offer intruders an easy entry point. Upgrading to windows with superior soundproofing properties and better seals helps eliminate these vulnerabilities. Plus, the reduction in noise can make it harder for burglars to be detected when they approach your home, improving the security of your property. Energy efficiency and reduced utility costs. Replacing your windows doesn't just improve security, it can also enhance energy efficiency. Newer windows help better insulate your home, keeping it cooler in the hot Texas summers and warmer during winter. By maintaining a consistent temperature inside, you can reduce the need for air conditioning or heating, leading to lower utility bills. The added insulation also keeps your home's interior more comfortable and stable. This can indirectly improve security by reducing the need for window air conditioners or other devices that might be seen as an easy target for thieves. Moreover, homes that are well maintained, with modern windows, are less likely to attract criminal attention, as they signal that the owner cares about their property's security. Conclusion. In Sugar Land, window replacement is an excellent way to enhance both the security and comfort of your home. With stronger, more durable materials, improved locking mechanisms, increased privacy, and energy efficiency, modern windows provide a range of benefits that can help safeguard your family and belongings. If you haven't considered upgrading your windows yet, now might be the perfect time to invest in this vital aspect of home security. The peace of mind that comes with knowing your windows are secure is priceless, and with the right replacement, you can rest assured your home is safer than ever before.